Right, today what we've got is a Yamaha OW01 fuel pump. The bike has been stood for a long time. I've actually cleaned all this lot off now and cleaned the pump off. But that gives you an idea of what's been going on. The fuel's just eaten this filter pickup, which isn't very clever. We need a new one of those. But you can't buy this stuff no more. This is the pump. I took the impeller out, so I had to prise it open because it was locked solid. Cleaned the impeller out. I'm now going to put it in a bit of petrol and see if we can get it running. I'll set it up and show you. And there it is, we've got that actually working. So that's one plus side. So all we need to do now is find one of those, which I think is the same as a YZF 750. So I'm going to do a bit of homework and see if they are the same. I think they are. And if so, we've now got a working pump. I'll leave this running for about half an hour just to make sure it's alright. Then we can reassemble it and save the day. Can't let an OW01 die. I've had the pump running for quite a while now and the pressure's come right up. I had to put a little pipe on because it was pumping fuel everywhere. So that's good. Right, the pump's all back together. This little shroud, rubber shroud that holds the filter is the same as a YZF 750. So we've put one on. Let's see if it works. And there it is, all up and running again. So a little bit of patience, bit of time, a lot of luck, and it can be fixed.